Good morning. Our lesson today, the first lesson in geometry of Prep 2. It's called medians of triangle. Before knowing the definition or the meaning of the medians of triangle, we must revise on the types of triangle according to its angles and according to their size. We know that types of triangle according to their angles. Number one, acute angle triangle. This is acute angle triangle. The three angles of the triangle are acute. Number two, obtuse angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle, only one obtuse angle, and the other two angles is acute. Number three, right angled triangle. Let this triangle is a right angle triangle, only one right angle and the other two angles are acute. So we know that, or we reserve that any triangle of the three triangles has at least two acute angles. The right angle and the obtuse angle has two angles, but the acute angle triangle has the three angles are acute. What's the meaning of median of triangle? We have three vertices of any triangle has three vertices and three sides. What is the meaning of triangle? Medians of triangle. Medians of triangle One, two, three triangle. Median of triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side of this vertex. We have this is triangle. This is median drawn from this vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is another median. This is another median. We can draw from each vertex of the triangle. We can draw from each vertex of the triangle a median. from the three vertices of the triangle, we can draw three medians of the triangle. To the midpoint of the opposite side. To the midpoint of the opposite side. How many medians? This is this is obtuse angle triangle. They have three vertices and they have three sides. How many medians in this triangle? From each vertex we can draw a median from a line segment from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. It's called the median. So we have three medians in any triangle. The opposite point of this vertex must be is midpoint of this side. This is midpoint. This point must be is midpoint. This point must be is the midpoint of this side to be median. We find that the three medians intersected at one point inside the triangle. We find the three medians of the triangle intersected at one point. This point is called the point of concurrence of the medians of the triangle. Theorem 1. Theorem 1 بتقول ايه بقى؟ The medians of the triangle are concurrent. ABC is a triangle in which point E, F, D are three midpoints of the three sides of the triangle. We draw BE, line segment BE, and line segment CF, and line segment AD. Line segment BE and CF and line segment AD are called the three medians of the triangle because it drawn from a vertex to a midpoint of the opposite side. The three medians intersected at point M. Point M is called the point of concurrence of that triangle. Theorem 1, the medians of triangle are concurrent. Concurrent, it means that the three medians intersected at one point. Practice, ABC is a triangle. Practice on this theorem. ABC is a triangle in which X is midpoint of side BC and point Y is midpoint of side AB. Bisect AB, the two medians intersected at point N. Draw BN intersected AC at point Z, then find the length of AZ and CZ. If we draw from B ray intersected AC at point N, it must intersect or passes through point M, because AX and CY are two midpoints, and N is the point of concurrence of this their median. So the third median must be passed through this point. Theorem 2. The point of congruence, if we measure the length of AM and ME, if we measure the length of AN and NX, we find the length of AN is twice the length of NX. Similarly, if we measure CN, the length of CN and the length of NY, we find from the practice. From the practice, we find that AN equal N twice of NX and NC equal twice of NY. So we deduced the second theorem, which is called, which said that the point of congruence of the median, of the triangle divides each median, M and N, are point of congruence of the medians of the triangle, divided each median with the ratio, or in the ratio of 1 to 2 from its base. AE is a median, A vertex, and BC is the base. So the point of congruence divided the median AE by the ratio 1 to 2 from the base. So EM to MA equal 1 to 2. So from practice, book page 87, ME equal 3 centimeter, ME equal 3 centimeter, and MC equal 8 centimeter. ME 3 centimeter. So AM equal twice of ME equal 2 times 3 equal 6 centimeter. MC equal 8 centimeter. So MD equal half of MC equal 4 centimeter. ME equal ratio according to AE. ME, so ME equal 1 over 3 of AE. And MC equal 2 over 3 ratio according to CD. So we learn today that number one, theorem one, the definition of medians of the triangle is the line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of this vertex. Any triangle has three medians. Any triangle has three medians, and any triangle has at least two acute angles. Theorem 1 says that the medians of triangle are congruent. The three medians of the triangle intersected at point is called point of congruent of the medians of triangle. This point of congruent of triangle divided each median in the ratio of 1 to 2 from the base.